beer soup. Ingredients: beer and peanuts. You're gonna need a bowl and a utensil of your choice. Here we go. Yes. Okay. You open the can. Just chuck that in there. And it will be, when you take a bite, it'll be like when you get the baby bite. Open the peanut. Get your mom to open the peanuts. Its serving size is 39 peanuts, so I guess just kind of eye that. And proceed to pour the beer. Think of it like cereal and milk. If you kind of fork it around, and yeah, looks about done. This also works when you have a flight. If you have a layover, Southwest usually provides peanuts. So yeah, Happy New Year, everybody. I hope that's all this video is.